Ready to turn your boring pie charts into delicious data donuts? First, let's load our data into Tableau. For this example, we are using a sample sales dataset with categories like furniture, electronics, and office supplies, alongside their sales figures. Drag the dimension you want to segment by, such as category, to the color shelf and your measure, like sales, to the angle shelf. This immediately creates our base pie chart. Now, create a calculated field named 0 and simply enter 0 as its value. Drag this new 0 field to both the rows shelf twice. You'll now see two identical pie charts stack on top of each other. Change the mark type of the second chart from automatic to pie. For the second pie chart, remove the category from the color shelf and change the color to white. This will form the inner part of our donut. Adjust the size of the second pie chart, the white one, by using the size slider on the marks card. Make it smaller than the first to create the donut hole effect. Right-click on the second 0 pill in the rows shelf and select Dual Axis. This will overlap the two charts. Right-click on the axis and select Synchronize Axis to ensure the charts are perfectly aligned. Hide the axis headers by right-clicking on them and unchecking Show Header. This cleans up the visualization. Finally, add data labels to your segments for clarity. Format the colors to your liking. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted donut chart in Tableau.